Students represent our hopes and dreams for the future, and they deserve the best education that we can give them. And that's exactly what is happening at Woodland Middle School.
So as a leader, my philosophy on education is all students are able to achieve.
We have a lot of students with various talents, and we're able to pull those things out of them through a lot of the programming that we offer.
What I like most is the excitement and enthusiasm that most teachers have to teach.
Woodland students are educated in a vibrant, high-performing learning environment with excellent teachers, the latest technologies, and innovative learning strategies that know no boundaries.
So in my classroom, I teach students the skills that are necessary to express themselves through an art form, and give them a skill and a passion that will allow them to flourish in life beyond the regular academic setting.
We do a lot to really expose the kids, meet them where they are, and really get to know their families and to help support them however we can.
Our students face suboptimal conditions outside of Woodland Middle School, but when they come here, that's why we have the concept of the embassy. When you come here, everything outside, it doesn't matter. Everything outside, it doesn't penetrate the school. When you come here, you have a safe place, a place where you can learn and thrive, and we've seen that over and over again.
Woodland Middle School has a lot of staff, teachers here that really care about your education, and they really want to see you excel and grow. And I think that makes a really good school.
The culture at Woodland Middle School fosters a belief that all children can achieve, and that expectation, along with targeted support and strategy, has resulted in Woodland achieving significant gains on the College and Career Readiness Performance Index, or CCRPI. Woodland's CCRPI score increased more than 21 points to 74.6, a direct result of the commitment of students, parents, teachers, and school leadership.
Our teachers as well as our students know the expectations to be successful here at Woodland Middle School.
What people don't realize is we have a 66% transient rate, as well as over 120 homeless students. But although we have those issues, our students were able to weather the storm and continue to just achieve no matter what the obstacles that they face.
Woodland Middle School, a Title I school serving over 850 students, is hitting the mark, getting results, and making a difference.